Product development. Product development is the process of turning an idea into a useful product that solves real user problems. Product development is the structured process of creating and launching new products, from initial ideas to market release. It typically follows a cycle of ideation, research, design, development, testing, launch, and post-launch improvements. Product development model. Product development is the process of turning an idea into a useful product that solves real user problems. Product development is the process of converting ideas into usable products. Turning an idea into a useful product that solves real user problems. This idea is transformed step by step into real products such as physical items, digital products, mobile applications, or software solutions. The product development model explains how this transformation happens in an organized way. It involves 5 important stages. The first stage is planning. The second stage is designing. Next is development. After development, testing ensures. Finally, we have deployment. Product development ensures customer needs are met effectively through structured processes like research and testing. It plays a key role in business success and innovation by turning ideas into market-ready solutions. There are different types of product development models. The waterfall model follows a step-by-step process where each phase is completed one after another. The agile model is flexible and works in small cycles, allowing quick changes and continuous improvement. The hybrid model combines both waterfall and agile, offering structured planning with flexibility. These models help teams choose the best approach for product development. How does it work? Welcome to the waterfall model. The traditional and linear development approach. It follows a strict step-by-step sequential process, where each phase must be completed before the next begins. Requirements: design, development, testing, deployment, and finally maintenance. Meet the agile model, a flexible, iterative project management approach that breaks work into small phases. It emphasizes continuous delivery, close customer collaboration, and rapid adaptation to changing requirements. It shows a dynamic project life cycle, starting with requirements, flowing right into design, development, and testing. Then deployment and review. After that, requirements. Highlighting agile's iterative nature, unlike rigid linear models. Let's discuss about hybrid model. The hybrid model is a combination of the waterfall and agile development models. It balances structure from waterfall with flexibility from agile. Development starts with proper planning, just like the waterfall model. Conclusion for product development. Product development is a structured yet flexible process that transforms ideas into valuable solutions. By clearly defining requirements at the beginning and continuously improving through feedback, teams can build products that truly meet user needs. This approach ensures stability, quality, and innovation throughout the development life cycle.